So children, we did alkanes. Among hydrocarbon we did alkanes in the previous video, and we can safely write down the general formula of alkane as CnH2n plus 2. That means the number of hydrogen atom is double than the number of carbon atoms is double plus 2. Once again I am telling you, the number of hydrogen atom is double plus 2 than the carbon atom. That means if you know the carbon atom, double it, add 2 to the hydrogen atom. That means you will get the hydrogen atom. Example, C4, then 4 to the 8 plus 10. So C4H10 will be the formula for an alkane having 4 carbon atom, which is butane. So let us try to go ahead to the other one part in which there will exist at least one double bond between successive carbon atom, and we will go with the simplest double bonded hydrocarbon. That means only one double bond will be visible in every molecule, and I will keep it at the first position, the double bond at the first position. So let us try to see, since we require 2 carbon atoms, minimum of 2 carbon atoms to get an alkene. So we start alkene with 2 carbon atoms. Now the basic facts will remain the same, the basic principle will remain the same. Every carbon atom will have 1, 2, 3 and 4 sticks. 4 sticks. Now count again, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this carbon. So this will be C2H4. And since it is 2 carbon atom, I told you the root word for 2 is eth, and the other part is also scientific. Ene means double bond, so it is ethene. Remember, only for your purpose, that this compound is also known as ethylene, but its actual name or more accepted name, or you can say the name given by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, is ethene. Now what happens? What next? Can anybody tell me? You will have 3 carbon atoms. You will have 3 carbon atoms. Anybody can tell me? You will have 3 carbon atoms in the next one. So you make 3 carbon atoms, then connect it with first single bond. But since you are making an alkene, there will be existing a double bond. Now complete and fill up the hydrogen. H, 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 H and H, and count and confirm that you have correctly put the number of sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this carbon atom, and therefore this formula will be 3C3H6, and this will be known as propene. Pro means 3 and ene means double bond. Propene. So this is there. Now once again for the fourth one, C4 means 4 of them. Double bond exists there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Now put H all the time. H, 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 H and H. Now we have how many carbon atoms? C4H8. This is butene, pentene, hexene, heptene. You on your own you can do. So that means let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in alkene the general formula will be CnH2n. So I feel that for 5, 6, 7, since 5 means pentane, then pentene will be the alkene. 6 hex, so hexene will be the alkene for 6 carbon atoms, and so on. So that means you can later on complete this sequence till decene. Now we go to the next one, which is an alkyne. We will go to the next one, which is an alkyne. The formula alkyne means there should exist a minimum of 1 triple bond in the entire molecule between 2 carbon atoms. So children, What do I mean to say? What do I mean to say? Let us see, we start. That means there is no methane, and similarly there is no alkyne which contains a single carbon atom. We start with two carbon atoms. So we start with, now the first one is this one, an alkyne. The first member of alkyne is this one. I put only one H because 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you guess the name? I am putting eth. Yeah, very good. It is ethyne. What is the name? It is ethyne. And the other name is acetylene. So, Sachin, be careful. I'll ask you the next name and you have to tell me what can be the name for 3 carbon atoms in which there is a triple bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know the root word will be what? Propyne. Yes, very good. Propyne. Root word will be prop, and YNE indicates a triple bond. So this will be propyne. Let us write down the formula. C2H2, C3H4. Now there again there is a pattern. What is the pattern over there? You see, double the number of carbon atoms, that is 6, and minus 2. You will get the hydrogen. 6 minus 2 is 4. Let us butane we can write the formula first. We should play now. C4, double it, and minus 2. So C4H6. Let's have a look if it is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks around a carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. It already has. It doesn't have. So make it 2. Now this one make it 3. And yeah. So this will be C4H6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get across this. Then now next is what? After butane, what will be there, Sachin? What will be there after butane? 5 means what will be there? Can you answer loudly? What will be there? Yeah, correct. Tell me, try. No matter. Pen. Yeah, very good. Pentine. What is it? Pentine. So 6 means what? Hex. So what will be the full name? Hexine. What will be the full name? Hexine. Very good. So you are getting it. Then heptine and so on. So that means your work will be, so we can write down the general formula CnH2n minus 2. Now your work will be from butene you complete till decene. That means for alkene you have to complete it till decene. That means you on your own you write down pentene, you write down hexene, you write down heptene, and similarly for YNE you write down pentine, then you write down pentine, you write down hexine, you write down octine. Suppose somebody asks you octine, so you have to think oct means 8, C8. So first you write down octine, somebody tells you octine. So C8, now H. So since there is YNE, that means the number of hydrogen atoms will be 2 less than double the carbon atom. So 8 to the 16 minus 2, so C8H14. But if it was octene, then what happens? It's a double bonded. Ene means double bonded. So C8 and the hydrogen atoms will be just double. So hopefully this will, not hopefully, be sure, I want you to learn this. It's easy. Go through this and try to understand. Then we are coming to what? We are coming to understanding the root words. Root word is meth is 1 carbon atom. Eth is 2 carbon atom. Prop is 3 carbon atoms. But is 4 carbon atom. And pent is 5. Hex is 6. Hept is 7. Oct is 8. Non is 9. And dec is 10. So you got to, did you understand? So sit down at home, keep on rewinding, do the thing, keep on rewinding, do the thing, and check. You will be okay.